Today we are going to make a perfect moist chocolatey birthday cake with just 2 ingredients. No oven, no egg, no maida and no baked chocolate cake. It's perfect for lockdown cravings. My name is Mano and welcome to another brand new video. Let's get started. Today we will make an easy, simple chocolate cake with just 2 ingredients, Oreo and milk. Take 28 Oreo cookies. Let's separate the biscuit and the cream and save the cream in a small bowl as you see in the video. Once done, use a fork and just try to make the cream into small chunks. Take the Oreo biscuits and grind it in a mixie to make it into fine powder. Now take a big bowl and add the powdered Oreo and crushed cream. Next goes the baking powder. Alternatively, you can add baking soda or Eno. Now add milk at room temperature. This cake hardly takes 10 minutes of your time and trust me, it will be the best chocolate cake made with minimum effort and minimum ingredients. Now start mixing everything with a whisk until we get a smooth and fine batter. It takes just 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. If you're first time here and want to recreate easy, simple Indian recipes, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's take a non-stick pan. That works better for this cake as we are going to make it on stove top. Grease it with regular cooking oil on the sides and at the bottom as you see in the video. Once you have greased it well, add a parchment paper at the bottom of the pan. That ensures the cake does not stick to the bottom. Now pour all the cake mix inside the pan. Tap it twice for any air bubbles. Now let's turn the heat on medium-low and place an old tawa or dosa pan and let's keep the non-stick pan on top and cover it with a lid. Note, I am making this on an electric stove, so it took me 50 minutes to 1 hour to bake this cake on medium-low flame. If you are doing on regular gas stove, please keep the flame on low and check after 40 minutes. After 1 hour, open the lid and insert a skewer as you see in the video, and if it comes out clean, our cake is done. Turn off the flame and leave the cake to cool down on countertop. Once it cools down, let's take a knife and carefully run it along the edges. Let's turn it upside down and take the cake on a cooling rack as you see in the video. As you can see, it came out clean without sticking. Now slowly take out the parchment paper and turn the cake. The cake looks wonderfully baked and fluffy and moist. Just for the final touch, I heated up 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and added 4 small chocolate pieces into it. And once the chocolate melts, our chocolate glaze is all ready. Along with that, I added some mini white chocolate chip and some colorful sprinkles on top. You can add grated chocolate on top alternatively. And stick a birthday candle for that feel. This cake kept me wondering. First of all, it was super soft, melt-in-mouth, porous sponge with the right sweetness and the chocolatey flavor, which is a feast for your eyes. And as you take the very first bite, it just melts in your mouth effortlessly. I'm very sure this should be one of those easy peasy cake we should reach out anytime, not only in lockdown. What more is that nobody could make out that it's made with Oreo. I'm sure this cake tops my list of cake recipes now on. Hope yours too. Keep watching my videos and share on your social media, and don't forget to like and comment. Stay home and stay safe. Thanks all for watching.